This is an intake video. So, guy was going to change his shift boot himself. And so this is how we got it in. There's a lot of things here that are really didn't need to be done. But that little plastic piece right there, that's for your oil supply line. The end of it is in there. And so when you break that off, the only way to get a supply line hose on there is to actually pull the engine, because you have to get it out from the other side. He didn't do his water supply tube, so that's good. He pulled out those bolts right there for, I can't tell you what reason. Pull that pin out for who knows what reason. So we're going to take it from here, put everything back together, but the main thing is that supply hose being broken right there does not allow you to connect it back up to your internal drive bottle. So if he wants that connected up, we get to pull the engine to fix that thing that shouldn't have broken, if you know what you're doing.